So, here I am, standing in the middle of, you guessed it, the Great Wall Street, where everything's happening, where billions of dollars are changing hands every single day, and where real traders, the guys who know what they're doing, work 18 hours a day. So, what am I doing here? Well, I'm here to finally find the truth, the answer. The answer to what? How to really make money with binary options trading. What works and what doesn't. Why only 5% of binary option traders actually make money and the rest don't. And of course, the secret behind the success of those 5%. So, as the saying goes, fortune favours the bold. So I'm going to be a bit bold here. I'm going to walk around, I'm actually going to find some traders and I'm going to straight up ask them what they do. I'm going to get real answers from real people who do this day and night. So, hopefully I'm going to be able to find a few who will actually talk to me. So, let's do it! Excuse me, sir. Are you a trader by any chance? Not a stockbroker? You sure?
Nope.
Okay.
What's that?
You a trader?
Not a trader.
Not a trader, okay. Have a good day. Excuse me, guys. You traders by any chance? No. No? Okay. You sure? Yeah. Well, you did a bit. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. You a... No problem. Okay, good luck. You a trader by any chance?
What?
You a stockbroker?
No.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Are you a stockbroker?
Yep. Why?
Oh, great. Can I just have 2 minutes of your time? Just ask a couple of quick questions.
Sure. What about?
Okay, my name's Cooper from the Rock the Stock website, and we're just shooting a video for our visitors about trading binary options.
Cool. Yeah, it's a great niche in the trading world. Lots of potential.
Yeah, we agree. So, how long have you been trading for, by the way?
12 years.
Cool. Okay, so in terms of trading binary options, can it be done profitably on currencies?
Absolutely not.
Oh, okay. Why not?
Trends, my friend. Everybody in this industry knows the name of the game. The trend is your friend.
Right, you mean price trends, right? Okay, but currency pairs have trends, so what's the problem?
Sure, but they're unpredictable. In trading, and especially binary options trading, you go where the opportunity is.
Right, where's that?
Stocks, binary options on stocks. Clear trends, very predictable. That's where the money is.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
And it's been this way for probably 90 years. The way it works is kind of simple to understand. The market opens here in New York, and then all of the major trading houses place huge buy or sell orders every single day like clockwork, give or take 10 minutes.
Right, and that creates clear, sharp, predictable trends.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool, and then hence the opportunity to trade binary options.
Right, the trend's there, you know when it'll be there, and you just have to be right by 1 point for your calls or puts to end in profit. Yeah,
cool. Okay.
Listen, I hope that helped. I gotta run.
All right, thank you. Yes,
Yeah.
it did. Excuse me, sir. Are you a trader by any chance?
What?
Stockbroker?
No, I'm not. I'm
No,
sorry.
no problem.
Take care. Good luck.
Excuse me, sir. Are you a trader? Stockbroker by any chance? What do you do?
I work at a software company.
Oh, not binary options software?
No.
No? What sort of software?
Just in a suit.
What sort of software?
It's automation software.
Oh. Like trading software?
No. It's sort of data collection and other things. We automate that stuff.
Oh.
So
Wow.
instead of having lots of people do it, we get machines to do it.
Oh, very cool. All right,
Yeah.
well, thank you. Have a good day. Excuse me, sir. You a trader by any chance?
Sorry?
You a stockbroker by any chance?
No.
Thank you, though. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Hey, my name's Cooper. I'm from the binary options software company, Rock the Stock. You might have heard of us. Are you a trader by any chance?
Yeah, I've been a trader for about 6 years. What's all this about?
We're just getting views on where the money is in binary options, currencies or stocks.
Well, who wants to know?
Well, the video is just for our website visitors. We're trying to give them an insight into what professionals think and do.
Oh, okay. Well, the firm that I trade for trades mostly in binary options for stocks.
Awesome. And what firm's that?
Fitzgerald, Morrison, and Lemsky. We do trade binary options on currencies, but only the longer time frames.
Why only longer time frames? And when you say longer, how long?
Well, trades lasting longer than 2 weeks because, you know, with currencies, the profitable trends are only in the longer time frame. Really, really hard to make money on the shorter time frames. It's unpredictable, too
Right.
unpredictable.
What about binaries on stocks? What kind of time frames there?
Well, like I said, I mean, the firm that I work for concentrates mostly on binary options for stocks, and but the shorter time frame, 60 seconds to 3 hours.
And can I ask why?
Well, that is proprietary information, my friend. But if you know anything about binary options, then you probably know why.
Well, can you give us a hint?
It's more variety in the currencies and easier spotting, it's more success in spotting trends. Yeah,
Right.
so look,
Okay.
I gotta go, okay?
Right.
But good luck.
Okay, hey, thank you.
Yeah, I'd say that there's opportunity in 10-15% of the stocks. I mean, per day. Every day we trade binaries on different stocks, so to scan what the opportunity is.
Right, okay, so and what's the accuracy can you expect with a good strategy?
That depends on so many factors of the strategy you're using, but a good system based on spotting very short trends shouldn't be below 80 to 85%.
And you can expect the same thing on binaries on currencies?
Dream on. Now you're lucky if you can get 65% accuracy trading currencies with binary options.
All right, great. Okay, thanks.
It's definitely the next big thing for traders who know what they're doing. There's so much opportunity with binary options on stocks.
So do you guys use software or trade manually?
Only software. Eyeballing trade opportunities, that's a chances game. It's almost impossible to be consistent.
Right. So are there any particular characteristics of the stocks that your software picks binary trades for?
I mean, there are plenty of rules and filters, same as any other trading software, but we focus on micro trends with a high probability lasting 20 to 40 minutes.
Right, so just very short-term binary trades.
Correct.
Excellent. Well, thank you. Binary options on stocks or currency pairs?
Oh, stocks, of course. Way more profitable.
Right.
Actually, I don't think it's even possible to make money consistently by trading binary options on currency pairs, but if you know someone who does, you let me know.
Okay, great. Thanks for your time. Okay, I think that's enough walking around Wall Street. Let's head back to the office. Now, I hope you've been listening closely to these chats, because what I'm planning to tell you, well, it's going to change things. Hi everyone, Cooper here, part of the Rock the Stock development team and the proud spokesperson for the project. Before I start, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to jump right to what matters most to you and, of course, what this presentation is all about. First, I'm going to explain what the Rock the Stock binary options trading software is all about. You'll want to hear this, mostly because you're about to understand why everything you've seen and heard about binary options is wrong. Yep, wrong. So keep listening. Second, I'll cover some very important, actually key aspects of its impressive performance. Third, I'll talk about how much money you can make by using the software. And finally, put away your credit cards because you won't need them today. I'm going to tell you how to get a 45-day trial of the software we've worked so hard to develop. So, let's start. Rock the Stock is actually one of the, if not the only system that trades binary options on stocks. You know, Microsoft, IBM, Google, etc. It doesn't trade the stocks themselves. It trades binary options on them, calls and puts. In fact, it's the only software in the world that trades binary options on stocks with such a very high level of profitability. That's probably the main reason why over 2,800 people from 70 countries have joined us since we launched the product back in November 2014. Now, most people relate binary options with currency pairs, and in fact that's the only way the vast majority of people ever trade binary options, and that's exactly why they lose their money. The fact is, it's almost impossible to make money trading binary options on currency pairs. Why? Two reasons. Reason one, you need price to move in a solid and clear direction for a sustained period of time to place accurate calls and puts. That's a huge problem with currency pairs. Very few possess the characteristics to support any kind of sustained directional movement. The great appeal of binary options is that you only need to get the direction right. If you think price will be higher than it is when you enter your trade, then you place a call. And if you think it will be lower, you place a put. The problem is that currency pairs mostly dance up and down in random moves. So even though price might be trending, it's still almost impossible to achieve a high degree of directional accuracy. Now, that brings me to reason number 2, and why it's impossible to make money with binary options by trading currency pairs. The few currency pairs that do maintain a clear direction for a sustained period of time, and I stress few because only about 4 exist, will not do this to order, making it virtually impossible to know when such a move will occur with any reasonable degree of accuracy. So, here are some things you should keep in mind. The 2 reasons given explain why people and software trading binary options on currency pairs lose money. Rock the stock goes where the herd isn't. Stock binary options. Knowing that at least 99% of binary options traders keep testing their luck on currency-based binary options is great news. Everyone knows the big money is made from things the vast majority aren't involved in. Now, here's why trading binary options on stocks is the best kept treasure of our times. First, there are over 50 stocks to trade with binary options. That's right, 50. Second, and very important, stocks have very, very clear directional movements. It's really incredible how clearly and accurately price moves with stocks. And that's exactly what we need for placing accurate call and put trades. Because regardless of which direction you're trading in, you need confidence that it will continue moving in that direction until the trade has ended. So, think about the following. Over 50 stocks that have incredibly clear, accurate and sustained up and down moves every single day. Now, from those 50 plus trading opportunities, imagine grabbing the top 5 to 77% of them, the cream of the cream. That's exactly what Rock the Stock does. Every day, the software automatically, 1, monitors price over movement for over 50 stocks. 2, pinpoints the absolute best call and put opportunities, the gems. 3, ensures that broker and market conditions are optimal to actually place trades. Then 4, places trades for you 100% hands free. Do you know what happens following a dramatic discovery? A gold rush? Just like the 19th century gold rushes in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, USA, etc. Complete craziness. That's exactly what you can expect when the masses discover they've been dead wrong all along, and that real money is made by trading binary options on stocks, not currency pairs. And that brings me to, well, the money. Let's talk about how much money our members are making with Rock the Stock. And, more importantly, how much you can make with it. So, let's start with performance. Rock the Stock picks the best 3 stocks each day from the 50 plus available. The number of trades it then places on each of those stocks will vary because some days have more price movement, some have less, and some days experience directional changes. As regards actual trading, the past 4 months have resulted in around 40% of overall daily trades being calls and 60% puts. Of course, that's just an average. Some days it can be completely the other way around. The important thing is this. Rock the Stock enjoys over 80% winning trades. In other words, you should expect to see 80 profitable trades from every 100. If you risk a small amount per trade, maybe $10 on each trade, your daily profit can be between $1,700 and $2,300 per day. We actually have members achieving $6,000 profit per day. They didn't manage that immediately, but several have reached that level by starting with a small initial account and building it up over the space of just 3 to 4 weeks. How? They started out placing trades of around $10, then slowly increased the size of their trades as their new accounts begin to grow. So if they made $1,000 from their first week of trading with Rock the Stock, the next week they used that profit to continue trading with $20 per trade rather than $10. And why not? It's on the house, so to speak. Anyway, a great strategy for anyone who wants to: 1, turn a small amount into a huge one; 2, do it fast; 3, most importantly, do it safely. If you scroll down the page a bit, you'll see a set of videos we record every day. These are Rock the Stock performance videos, a kind of video diary, I guess. Anyway, what we do is randomly place trades on each of the 3 stocks chosen that day and record it live. We don't cherry pick trades and we don't delay recordings. What you see in the videos each day shows the actual trading and performance of Rock the Stock. When you use the software, it'll be placing the exact same trades for you automatically. If you wish, it can place many more trades, all with the exact same degree of accuracy and profitability. Okay, now to the good part, how you can start making money with Rock the Stock. This month only, we're having a special promotion. You get a 45-day free trial of our Rock the Stock software. That's right, 45 days to test Rock the Stock. You don't need to spend a single cent. In fact, you don't even need to use your credit card for this trial. It's on the house, 100% free, so you can begin making money in a few minutes from now. The trial version is exactly like the paid version, same features, same performance, same everything. Why give away the farm? Because over 80% of the people taking our 45-day trial switch to our monthly subscription package. That's how profitable people believe our Rock the Stock software is. Here's another little known fact. Over 90% of our free trial users, that's 9 out of 10 people, make more money during the first few days of their trial than a whole year's subscription will cost them. So, go ahead. Take advantage of our limited time special promotion while it's still available. Download Rock the Stock, the #1 binary options trading software. We guarantee that you and your bank account will thank us. Take action now. Take our software for a test drive and let us prove that this is the only binary option software that actually makes money for its users.